Hello everyone and welcome back. Today let us learn about the generations of computer. The first generation computer starts from 1940 to 1956. It uses vacuum tubes as a switching device. Now, what is a switching device? A switching device is a device which is used for transferring connections from one source to another source. The first generation computer has a disadvantage. It releases a huge amount of heat, thereby making the other components of the computer connected to it break down due to continuous heat. Also, it has a very small storage capacity. Due to these problems, the second generation computer were developed in 1956 to 1963. The second generation computer used transistors instead of vacuum tubes. Now compared to the first generation computer, the second generation computers releases lesser amount of heat and can store more data and files. Next is the third generation computer. It starts from 1964 to 1971. The third generation computer uses integrated circuits. Compared to the first and second generation computer, the third generation computer consumes less amount of power. Next is the fourth generation computer, which starts from 1971 to 1980. The fourth generation computer uses very large scale integrated circuits. With the development of fourth generation computer has become much cheaper so that everyone can afford a computer. Last is the fifth generation computer that starts from 1980 to present. The fifth generation computer uses biochips. It has a very high processing power and can work just like a human. Fifth generation computers are mainly used in artificial intelligence, computer hardware, computer software, and data representation. Now, let us learn about computer hardware. Everyone speaks about hardware, but what actually is a hardware? A hardware is a computer device which we can touch and feel. Say, for example, mouse, keyboard, printer, etc. Next is the computer software. Software is that part of the computer which we can feel but cannot touch physically. The main function of the computer software is to check whether the device is properly connected with other parts of the computer, that is the hardware. It is also responsible for allowing and denying of connection of a new device to the computer. The next topic is data representation. Before coming to data representation, first let us know what representation is. Basically, representation means displaying. So, data representation is the way in which data are displayed in a computer. It is the manner in which data are stored, arranged, and transferred in a computer. Next up is classification of data. Classification of data is the process in which data are arranged in different groups. Normally, data can be classified into 5 different types, which are integer data, character data, float data, double data, and void data. Integer data are those data which consist only whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, etc. Character data are those data which include alphanumeric numbers like A1, B1, etc. Next is float data. Those data which are made up of small fractional numbers like 1.5, 1.9, 5.5, etc. are grouped under float data. Fourth type of data is the double data type. Double data type consists of large fractional numbers. Lastly, the void data type. Void data type are those data without any values. That is, void data are empty data. Next is the number system. Mainly, there are 4 types of number system, which are binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. First, let us know about the binary number system. The binary number system is made up of only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. It is the only language a machine can understand. Next up is the decimal number system. Those number systems which are set up using only 10 digits ranging from 0 to 9 is called decimal number system. Examples may be given of the types of numbers that we are using like 1, 19, 72, 83, etc. Next number system is the octal number system. Those number systems which uses only 8 digits comprising of 0 to 7 is called octal number system. Next is the hexadecimal number system. Those number system which uses only 16 digits consisting of 0 to 9 and A to F is called hexadecimal number system.